Assalamu alaikum. In this video lecture, we will be talking about phrases. So let's start. So first of all, we are going to talk about the prepositional phrase. At the minimum, a prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun, pronoun, gerund, or a clause, which is basically the object of the preposition. Pattern would be preposition plus noun or pronoun or gerund or clause. Preposition, you can write it this way as well, like preposition plus modifiers plus noun, pronoun, gerund or clause. Then examples include, first of all, on time. On is the preposition and time is noun. Underneath the sagging yellow couch, here the underneath is a preposition, the sagging yellow are the modifiers and couch is the noun. Again, against someone, strong, against is the preposition and someone is the pronoun and strong is the modifier. And from eating too much, here from is the preposition, eating is the gerund and too and much are the modifiers. Then as an adjective, the spider above the kitchen sink has just caught a fat firefly. Which spider? The one which is above the sink. Therefore, ये हमारे पास as an adjective use होंगे. Adverb के तौर पे कैसे use हो सकती हैं? While sitting in cafeteria, Jack had to pull peas with a spoon. ठीक है, तो again जो है ना यहाँ पर आपके पास ये adverb की example है. क्यों? क्योंकि how did Jack launch the peas with a spoon? Then there are the infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrase will begin with the infinitive. Infinitive is the to plus simple form of the verb. It will often include objects or the modifiers that complete the thought. The pattern would be infinitive plus objects and or modifiers. Then the infinitive phrase can function as a noun, adjective or adverb. For example, Cheryl plans to take microbiology next semester when Professor Crumb, a pushover, is teaching the course. To take microbiology next semester is a noun, which is basically the direct object for the verb plans. Then the worst expression to see on Dad's face is disappointment. To see on Dad's face is basically adjective because it is describing the expression. Rayan mowed the long grass to keep his neighbors from complaining to the homeowners association. To keep his neighbors from complaining to the homeowners association, this whole thing is an adverb because it is telling us why Rayan did that particular thing in lawn. Then we're going to talk about the participle phrase. Participle phrase will begin with the present or past participle. If the participle is present, it will dependably end in ing. Likewise, a regular past participle would end with in a consistent ed. Irregular past participles could include all kind of the ways. Pattern would be participle plus objects or modifiers and modifiers. Example, flexing his muscles in front of the bathroom mirror. Then participle phrases always functions as adjectives. The stock clerk lining up cartons of orange juice made sure that the expedition date faced the back of the cooler. Here, lining up the cartons of the orange juice modifies the noun clerk, and Elijah likes his eggs smothered in cheese sauce. Here, smothered in cheese sauce modifies the egg. This is all for today. Thank you so much.